If you use AI but still don't get clear or useful answers, this one prompt will fix that. Most people type random questions into AI. That's why the replies feel long, confusing, or not helpful. The problem isn't AI. The problem is how you ask. Instead of guessing what to type, use one simple prompt that works for planning, writing, learning, work, and daily life. Here's the prompt. Copy this. Act as an expert. Ask me 3 short questions to understand my situation. Then, give me a simple, step-by-step solution. Keep it clear and practical. This prompt forces AI to understand you before giving advice. For example, let's say you feel overwhelmed. You type, "Act as an expert. Ask me 3 short questions to understand my situation. Then, give me a simple, step-by-step solution. My problem is, I feel overwhelmed today." AI will ask 3 clear questions, understand what's really going on, and then give you a simple plan you can actually follow. No long explanations, no overthinking, just clear steps. This one prompt saves time, improves AI answers instantly, and works for almost any situation. Writing, studying, planning, work, or daily problems. Save this prompt. Use it every day. Follow for more simple AI hacks that actually work in real life.